Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Headaches. Ingredients: 5 to 10 drops of peppermint oil, 5 to 10 drops of lavender oil, 3 to 5 drops of eucalyptus oil, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or jojoba oil. Instructions: in a small bowl, combine the peppermint, lavender, and eucalyptus oils with the carrier oil. The carrier oil is the coconut or jojoba oil. Mix this thoroughly. How to use: apply a small amount on a test area to ensure there is no allergic reaction before using. Apply a small amount to the temples, forehead, and back of the neck. Gently massage the oil into the skin with circular motions. Avoid contact with the eyes and wash your hands thoroughly when finished applying. It can be applied several times per day or as needed. You can store the remaining amount in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency. How it works: peppermint contains menthol, which has cooling, pain-relieving properties. It helps to relax the muscles and relieve the pain from tension headaches. Lavender contains linalool and linolyl acetate, which reduce psychological stress responses and decreases muscle tension and improves blood circulation, all of which aid in the relief of headaches. Eucalyptus oil contains eucalyptol, which helps to reduce sinus pressure by clearing the nasal passages and allowing for breather breathing. When all are combined, the power to relieve headache pain is tremendous. Like, share, follow, and subscribe to see new content added.